Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make Zaxby sauce easy method. Start by gathering mayo, ketchup, garlic powder, Worcestershire, and sweet pickle relish, then measure and set beside a mixing bowl. Combine mayo and ketchup first, stir until smooth, add spices gradually, and taste as you go to adjust sweetness and salt. Chill for at least 30 minutes to let flavors meld, then serve with fries or chicken for best results. Gather your ingredients and prep with a warm, easy rhythm. Measure 1 cup mayo and 2 tablespoons ketchup, then add 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire, and 1 tablespoon sweet relish. Use a medium bowl and whisk so everything blends smoothly. Taste and tweak with small pinches until it sings, and remember a short chill helps flavors marry. This step makes a consistent sauce every time with minimal fuss. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more recipes. Quick recommendation. The Simple Path to Wealth is a book that can truly change how you think about money and offers calm, practical advice that pairs well with small wins like mastering a sauce. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Mixing well is the secret to restaurant-style texture, so whisk vigorously for about 30 seconds until smooth and uniform. Taste and adjust sweetness with relish or a pinch of sugar, and correct saltiness with a dash of Worcestershire. If the sauce feels too thick, add a teaspoon of pickle juice or water at a time until you reach the perfect spreadable consistency. Keep tasting gently so you don't overcorrect any flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.